that noise? Whoa, 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 whoa. They're here. The bees. They've arrived. I'm gonna go see what's going on out there. Holy shit, there's like a whole freaking swarm of them. It's a swarm of... Are they killer bees? Wait a minute, they're honeybees. I never seen a swarm like this. Alright, yeah guys, here it is. It's a freaking swarm of honeybees that I recorded, and I want to share with you. It's unbelievable. It's like, they were just all over the place. Just look at it and see for yourself. Damn. It's a freaking swarm out here. Holy crap. Damn. Holy shit. Oh my God. Woo. Woo. Man. Wow. I don't think you want to be outside right now. There is a swarm of bees. Whoa, 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 whoa. One's trying to get in the house. God. My God. Bees everywhere. Ay, ay, ay. Whoa. Maybe I better get in the house before they come in here. Maybe I better shut the door. All right, guys, so be safe. No pun intended, but yeah, just be safe.